Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to clean out and organize my makeup. I have a drawer full. I need to wash my brushes and stuff. Ooh. But all of this, and some of it honestly is old and needs to get thrown away. So we're gonna go through that and just see what we're gonna get rid of. Before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button either over here or over there. I don't know where it's at. Find it, hit it, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, now let's get into the video. First off, I done did some research. I googled it so y'all don't have to. And basically I was trying to figure out when like makeup was no good, because like it has an expiration date. And I realized only one of my foundation, this one actually has an expiration date, and it's January 2021. And it is June of 2022. So, I mean, it's probably good a little bit afterwards, but honestly, I don't even really use this no more. So, throw this one away, especially since it's expired. I was Googling, and I'm gonna just run down the list. So, foundation is only good. It expires after 1 year. Concealer expires after 1 year. Cream blush is 1 year. Eyeliner 3 months. I was surprised about that. Lip balm 1 to 5 years. That's what it said on Google. Liquid eyeliner 3 months. Mascara 3 months. Nail polish 1 year. Powder blush 2 years. Lip gloss 1 year. Lipstick 1 year. And I was a little upset because I got some Fenty Beauty. So I was like, I tried to go on Fenty's website and see if they had an expiration date. Well, there's nothing on here. But I Googled it, and Fenty Beauty concealer is good for 6 months to 2 years. And Fenty Beauty foundation expires after a year. That's what it said. Like I said, you can keep it longer if you want. That's up to you. Do your thing. I'm going to keep my Fenty because your girl paid a good amount of coins for this. Well, you got what you needed. Now let's go ahead and clean out this drawer and just throw away what we don't need.
Alright, so I got all my makeup out, and we're just going to go through and throw away some stuff and keep what we want. And right now I decided that I'm going to keep all my palettes, so I'm just moving those to the side. And I want to apologize for the shakiness of the video. I'm still working on like different tripod angles and stuff. But I'm just looking at my It's My Ray Ray palette, and I decided to keep it. I did keep all my palettes, my Jackie Aina palette. So I put those all to the side, and then I'm just taking out the stuff that is aside. I'm keeping the Fit Me powder. I threw that away. I've had that for a long time. This Becca highlighter, I'm pretty sure I've had this for, I don't even want to say how many years because it's kind of embarrassing. But you can see it's still used, but it has to go in trash because it is definitely very old. I had that for like maybe 7-8 years. So here I got my life together and got an angle that works a lot better. So right now I'm just going through, throwing out some eyelash glue that I don't use because I figured out what I like. So there's no point for me to keep everything else. And I'm just going through most of my like lips liners and chapsticks. All my lip glosses right here and lipstick. You can see I'm going through. I'm honestly not even sure what lip gloss that one is, so we're gonna throw that in the trash. And my concealer we're gonna keep. Fenty lipstick, we're gonna keep that. So I'm just throwing out some lip liners that I got from the beauty supply that I don't really use anymore, and I'm gonna keep the rest of my lipsticks and lip gloss. Some old mascara, I'm just gonna throw that away. And then some of this ColourPop pencil, I've had this for, I can't even tell you how long. I would say maybe 6-7 months. Like, it's really just been sitting in my drawer because I could not figure out how to, like, you know, get it to sharpen because it was plastic. So I was under the assumption, like, I didn't think that you could sharpen it, and I tried that today and realized that I could sharpen that pencil, so I decided to keep it. But it's just been sitting in my drawer this whole time because I was not sure how to get this to come up. But you could just see the rest of the stuff that I'm just going through, throwing away what I don't use or I think it's too old, and keeping the rest. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. So now that the drawer is clean, we're just gonna go in and wipe it out and clean it and then put everything back in nice and organized.
You guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.